I have listened vividly to the proponents of this bogus law. First of all, I don't think we are perplexed by the law. We are actually perplexed by the actions of those that are bringing the law, because one, it does not hold iota in any way from its inception. And the reasons are simple. Uganda is in a multi-party dispensation. And every election now is carried out on the basis of multi-partyism. Before the proclamation and the passing of the 2005 bill, it was clear that people would come with individual merit, and this individual merit was defined as the movement system. And then things would work out of consensus. With multi-party democracy, political parties individually set out their manifestos, they set out their work plan, and sell it to the public. Now, I have heard people like Mr. Kasivante connote that there must be an election of a member of the opposition. In fact, the ESO guy in parliament who is bringing the law has also asserted that he would refer to have 3 names of members of the party that has come second to all of them. First of all, our working with other members of the opposition in parliament is by our choice, because we do not have a merger. We do not have a coalition. Now, in absence of a coalition and a merger, then it is absolutely nonsensical for one to believe that they can create an election in a multi-party dispensation where there has not been a coalition or a merger towards the election. The National Unity Platform, in this case, participated in the election as the National Unity Platform with its own flag bearer, and it won the election, pushed to position number 2, which position number 2 gave the mandate of choice of who the leader of opposition and chief whip of the opposition should be. In fact, these other political parties are even free, like they have done now, to enter into concession with the ruling government against the opposition. That is their right. I wonder why they forget that. They should do that rather than disturbing the peace and hegemony of the National Unity Platform in execution of its mandate that was pushed to. There is no way one would think that you are an outsider and you want to determine things from the inside. The Democratic Party, inclusive of this person bringing this bogus law, this ESO chief, as I have told you, they have a consent memorandum with the ruling oligarchy. Now, how does he dream of even giving direction? Did we have consent from the Democratic Party on them going to align and be in bed with the NRM? No. So it is, as it was their right to have a memorandum of understanding, ours is we are working with them by choice. I have also heard the Honorable Ssemujju Nganda, and I'm at pain to make this rebuttal. He has consistently on different platforms said he wonders why the NUP did not learn from the challenges they faced in the FDC to chase Mpuga. You have heard him say that. And Mr. Honorable Ssemujju, you are forming a political party today as a result of people going to Museveni and picking his money. Now you have gone an extent of even dissolving the party because individuals that you failed to manage when you are in charge went and picked money from the system to fight against Kyagulanyi. So you want us also to wait until the Mpugas reflect their true colors of the understanding they have with General Museveni. That cannot work. You cannot say we have not learned from your mistakes when today you have held a meeting to dissolve the party that you formed. Now, you want us to learn by also waiting and dissolving our party? You're being hypocritical. The question of Mpuga was that he was corrupt. He went against the rules, the rules of engagement. He was egocentric in execution, just like you have accused Poa, just like you have accused Nandala. Now, it is absolutely hypocritical of you, Honorable Ssemujju, to continue asking the NUP to learn from the FDC, which no longer exists today, at least in accordance with your own words. The reason you are forming a new chapter is because somebody went and picked money from Museveni, which money you yourself as Ssemujju are on record as having used. You are a witness in the corruption of the Power meeting, in the Power money scandal. You are a witness. You acknowledged that you even had 170 million for branding that you picked from those monies, and we listened to you, and we learned that keeping a person working against what you agree as a party is not right. So reflect on your statements. Ogamba nnyo abantu nti NUP wali olowooza egenda kuyiga nti obizibu bye FDC byefunye fe bo tebajja kubifuna, naye mu olwaleero muli mu kujjawo kibiina kyonna mwakijjeewo kubanga abantu bagenda ne bali enguzi. Kati lwaki olwaleero oli ebigambo byo wandibadde osigala ku kiri tono obiwo mukwano gwo tokyasobola kuvaayo kumwaŋŋanga, naye ekyokugamba NUP kirekera awo nti teyayiga ku Mpuuga nga Mpuuga ye muli wenkwe. Wandibadde ogamba mukwano gwange Mpuuga teyayiga ku Power bye yatukola. That would be the vice versa. I thank you.